So, ikaw ka lang nag-manage niya.
Security officer, so ikaw pumalit kay Telco.
No, actually, Telco is not the board.
Not the board.
I'm part of the board.
Pero dito ka sa...
I live here.
Thank you. So I'm not being here, pero that's my property.
Yes,
So I just found na, ano, yung mga...
Here, ano ko lang?
Yeah. I got that phone.
Actually, I read this from, I was in a meeting earlier.
Oh. I know you're trying to manage this.
So, ganito,
I found a bit fun lang ba?
okay, ganito, I also know ano pinag-usapan mo kanina. We have to CCTV here in the situation.
It's all good, but I think you need to communicate.
Yes, okay.
So no one is here. And good that they are here.
Actually, ganito, for one, the board did not receive salary from the salary.
Alam ko yun. But this is a city ordinance.
Yes, I also read the video evidence because I used to be
See? Why did they have to cover that? Nasaan na yung fight?
I used to be with the government. So I'm familiar with the city.
Yeah, okay.
The city cannot force you to donate any part of the land unless it is for expropriation.
I already donated the 1 meter from
We
this
have to
to that.
first.
I don't have it with me, but I can prove to you. Ano sila na?
Finish mo naman.
No. I am just saying this because this is for safety for everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Ganito naman. I said, I conferred with the Bureau of Fire.
So what about that connection? We're talking about
I am done with law enforcement.
yeah, okay. But we're talking about safety.
Yes, ma'am. I'm from NBI, so I know the rules.
Okay.
That's why before I talked to you, I read the rules and I conferred with the people because you're not trying to tell me that is the purpose of the fire hydrant.
Yes.
I talked to BSP. They cannot mandate you or force you unless it is appropriated. If hindi ng BSP yung lupa portion of your land, expropriation means papayaman ka ang portion of your land, they intend to put a fire hydrant there. That's not a hydrant, but that is a post marker.
Merong tubig.
May tubig na dyan. Kasi meron talagang, yan lang dumadaan ng water district. Lahat ng hydrant mo, makilalim yan, main line ng water district.
Okay.
So if I want to put ito ng ito, I want to put a fire hydrant dyan. Ang main line water district ko pasok ng pagbubuti ng sa kaliwa natin.
Okay.
I could just tell you BSP lagay nyo dyan, but they have to buy that land.
Okay.
We cannot just put a fire hydrant there. We have to buy that land. It's called expropriation.
Okay.
The government needs to expand the road. You want to buy the road right away.
Okay.
Before mo lagyan ng country.
Okay.
Same with BFP. They have to expropriate the property. Okay. Indeed, nasa plano nila lagyan ng fire hydrant.
Okay.
If you wish to donate it, it's okay because that is what you always have to have donation paper. It should not be verbal.
No. Kaya nga din ako nag-react ng ganito.
That is the law.
Alam ko, can I say something? Kaya ako nag-react ng ganito because it was already implemented. They donating 1 meter. Not going to that post there.
Do you have the paper?
I don't have it with me.
But do you have the paper? It's not under protection now. But it is authorized. It is repeated by the government.
Hindi na natin maano yung government or whatsoever, but what I'm trying to point out,
So
that
that
1 meter,
wherever your property, because if you really donated it, mapapalitan niya titulo mo, babawasan nila yung donation
1
mo.
meter.
Yes na. So do you have your old title, your Xerox na nabawasan na 1 meter?
I don't have it with me.
But nabawasan
I cannot send that to you kasi ang ibig ko lang
ito mga
sabihin.
this is your property. Sabihin natin, binigay mo to 1 meter nito.
Yeah.
Lahat yan BSP. So, how much is your property? 497 square meter. So, 436 na lang yan. Dapat nakasulat sa titulo mo. Passport. If you donated it because of that, ika-cancel yung old title mo. Hindi yan sa bago. Kasi ito naman portion of land. Gagawan sa bagong titulo. Bibigay sa gobyerno. Dahil sa inyo na ito, 1 meter lang. 1 by ano to eh. Depende ka ano pa wala rin. 1 meter ito. Depende ka ano pa.
Maganda sa France kasi yung
My point lang. your property is 497 square meters on the original title. Makakancel yan title. Kung magiging 496 ang siguro yan, o 495. Diba? Because you donated this title.
Yeah, because of the, ano,
Unless, hindi yan pinagdap na gawin mo. Wala akong document, zero position. Your title will remain. Are you calling for my house? You know.
yeah,
And you said you donated it verbally.
it has to go with the ordinary
Kasi the ordinance is voluntary.
Yun na nga.
If it's voluntary, you have to properly execute a legal donation in favor of the government. Okay? Kung hindi ko mo yung buong titulo mo sila, mapapakancel sa ako, bibigyan ka ng bago, ginawat namin yung dinamay mo. Magpapagawa kami ng bagong titulo.
I understand what you're trying to point out.
Magiging dalawang
Oo, naiintindihan ko na ibig
So,
sabihin.
yung bago sa'yo, nagawa na, o yung donate mo na, kamamayari sa gobyerno.
Naiintindihan ko ibig sabihin niya.
So, if you don't have that,
I don't know yun.
if you don't have that,
Unfortunately,
bakit mo pa nakagad?
yeah, but what I'm trying to point out, why do I have to be even enough to say all these things, and I'm aware. I can confirm. Dad, I'm talking now. It's okay if you don't follow an action.
Kasi I'm aware that.
Kasi I'm fine. I'm just giving you now. I said today, I request for you to investigate and review.
Okay, ganito ma'am. I investigated. This is actually yours. This is the fact. I talked to the owner of the land. I talked to the contractor. I came here prepared. Okay? Para hindi na tayo makanap habang pa kayo. Kasi that was your request. They said you are leaving tonight.
Definitely.
Saan ka ba ma'am?
7 o'clock.
Why are you leaving?
I'm making mistake.
Leaving Australia?
Yes.
Okay, so, actually I had a copy ma'am. Kasi everything nangyayari, we have a meeting ma'am. It's all being said and transmitted. I was in a meeting na kayo, so I have a copy of that.
Thank you. Because it has
And I have a copy of your, this is the property.
Yeah. So, kasi nandun si Bal.
Yes. I talked to the contractor. So the contractor sent me this. Actually, he submitted sa ganito. Nagpa-land survey sila naman, kumuha sila ng geodetic engineer.
Okay.
This is the contested area. Oo, tama. Itong part na to, from here to here. Ito, tama. Ito yung ginagawa. So, I'll make a drawing now. This is your current property.
Okay.
It looks something like this.
Okay.
Am I not right?
I cannot confirm you.
Kami ni siya.
Okay.
Would you confirm? Kami ni sa likod. Okay, this is the new property.
Okay.
Sabi nila, wala kaming problem na.
Okay.
We just put that temporary, hindi pa naman tayo, I can just make backpack that.
Yeah, because it's
However, ma'am, on your back part, ang consenting survey is encroaching your property.
okay.
So, meron kang encroachment. So, sabi nila, okay, wala kaming tulad backpack ito, backpacking din ito, gawin yung tuloy.
Okay. I don't know anything about that.
Ganito, kung hindi ka, ma'am, you also get to the deputy engineer.
Oh, hindi. I don't want to waste my time for it. But I'm glad. I'm grateful to you.
I'm making fair to those parties.
Oh, I know. I'm
Giving
grateful.
them for those who do the engineer and fighter. We will then get to
Yes,
on Monday.
I'm
I
grateful
will
that
make
you're
a copy,
saying.
ma'am. Kasi ang sabi, hindi yan siguro, ma'am, hindi yan true ang value.
Yeah, I know, but I am grateful that you're explaining this to me now. My only concern kasi,
Kaya, ma'am, ito ang dapat bakit nila to, bakit mo ito?
so, don't worry about that. I don't want to contest about things back. And focus lang talaga ako sa plan. Whatever happens, kung kinakailangan kong magpakin yan, I will not do it now. Not tonight.
I'm just telling you, ma'am, yun ang ano.
Thank you, but I'm glad that you're saying that to me. Okay.
Secondly, ma'am, di ba,
Makaalis ako ngayon eh.
you said earlier, ma'am,
Wait, that's...
you're from Brisbane.
Yeah.
Ito, I'll give you a clue, ma'am. This is your conversation right here.
Alis ako.
Just for your knowledge, ma'am, you said, may babayad ka naman.
Because sila nakatira doon.
Do you have resibo?
Sila kasi nakatira doon. Kaya na po yung sa 2014. Pero dahil po, nakabayad na po lahat.
That's my point. Kami na more nagbabayad kami. Oo, di ba? Kung hindi nagbabayad kami, I'm asking for the resibo. If you have the 2024, 2025, you have the 2024?
Challenge separation.
Yeah, but we have the, nagbayad sila 2024. As per our record,
2025.
no, as per our record, ma'am, we have a very tight record kasi we should register kami. Wala kami problema mag-issue ng resibo, hindi naman kami natatakit. Kami po, pamilay lang ng resibo, hindi kami taxable. Biligay pa ba yun? So everybody who pays here, nag-i-issue kami resibo, non-taxable, non-backable ang
Ngayon lang naman
resibo.
kami nagbabayad din. Dito sa kasi dati yung dinawayan na
Yes, ma'am. Wala kaming record ng buong 2024. And 2023, wala kaming record.
Hindi ko imagine ako. 24 na. 24 na.
Yeah, but you said sa record niyo, ano ba itong, ano nagbabayad ako naman dito? So I check. I think fair na. Diba? Kasi kung meron nga iba dito na nagreklamo, hindi nagbabayad naman dito. Ay, natin. Kung saan, kapitaan mo ako dito. Umali ako, ay, kasi naman. That's why I'm asking. Kasi mo, ikaw nagbabayad. Show me resibo. Because as far as Guadalupe Village, ang resibo na hindi namin pinagdadamo, hindi kami napapakit. We are a non-profit organization.
I know that.
So wala kami
First and foremost, alam ko yan. Kasi dati si Palo yan, nag-ano naman yung I know that. I understand where
in terms of hindi ako nagpali.
Oo.
Because he is a illegal structure. Hindi ka position. Doon. Yes. Sinasabi mo nung dadala siya ng parang because it's reserved. The reserved has no right to carry firearms. Reserved lang siya.
That was then. That was in 2005.
Unless meron siyang permit to carry.
Oo, hindi. That was then.
I'm from the Bureau. My firearms is issued by the government.
Because he was the only one who's going to
Bawal pa rin. Bawal pa rin.
That was then.
Tapos nagmamakilala siya sa ano. Ako ay ex-bureau. I resign.
That was 2005. That's why I mentioned it like that. Kasi sabi ko nang lang siya mag-isa. Leka lang.
Mali pa rin.
That was
Ako, I still have my firearm. Salamat.
Hindi, ang ibig ko sabihin, important something in the relating. I just mentioned it. Si Sir Cole, naglalaro siya. And he carries, he's a reserve officer. He carries around. But he's the only one
Kung
going.
mamamay ng security officer, you ask everybody if they strongly carry the firearm.
We don't need to carry firearm, I know that. But I just mentioned that because that's how he presented it when he goes around. Yun lang.
May nga akin naman, I spoke to the contractor. Sabi ko, okay, hindi niyo proper ko yan. Bakit niyo? Sabi niyo nangyari, walang problema kasi yung loss land namin sa dito. Ay pasok sa bakuran nila. Huwag ko niyo sir, sabi ko, bakit niyo? Sabi ko kayo nila. Ituloy mo na yung
Yes, yeah.
nasabi niya, kami, alok lang pa lang. So, ano pa na ngayon?
I know you're trying to.
Anong ipahan mo ngayon?
Hindi ka, nakin lang ganito ha. This is just simple like that. So kung sa tingin mo naman, hindi naman natin dapat implement you're saying that yun lang ang sabi. It's not
This is the sidewalk. Remove one up here. This one is owned by the Guadalupe. And the entire road of Guadalupe. Including so lahat ng pipeline natin kahit na poste nandito sa labas. Awal sa labas ng mga private property. Ay, may power. So lahat ng tubig nakakawin dito. Kitang lang kayo. So ang main line na water treatment ay needed to ma'am. Kahit i-block, wala naman sa loob yung main line dito. Nasa ilalim nito, this is a post marker. it means merong main line dito.
I understand what you're trying to say. Naintindihan ko yung ibig sabihin. But,
I also conferred with Dr. District earlier. Nag-meet nila, may main line gawin nila. I sent them this photo. So ano to? Postmarker na siya. May coding din sila. So bakit may problema? Nakatanong ba kami ng private doctor? So hindi, not dito lang. Kasi medium niya sa mapa, wala silang pinasuka private doctor. So how do we go about this one? Kasi kung papapampakin mo ito, wala na problema. But they're asking you, bakit hindi na ito?
Adi,
Give and take kayo.
walang problema yan. Wala yung problema. Ang sa akin lang, kung kailangan natin isip, wala naman isip.
Pero kung gusto mo ma'am, then leave it as it is, leave it as it is. You gain whatever you lost in front, you gain sa back. Wala ka nang gasto. Wala na sila.
Sa atin ang business dito, I'm just saying about something to do with the safety lang eh.
So that's the patient na ko
Okay, thank you. So, you're not concerned about the safety.
No, I am concerned, but there is no safety issue.
Thank you for ano na lang.
Because the safety
And I gather, yun din naman sana gusto mong sabihin. So, if you're not concerned, it's fine with me.
is not that, ma'am, I am concerned with the safety because that's not my job. However, if you look at the picture, ma'am, that is not illegal.
Yeah, I know. I
Ang
understand.
tubig na sa labas.
Oo. Okay na. Wala sa this is useless naman eh, when I said,
So, quite happy na we can really show that to the other. Kasi, they will be here on that day.
pointless din naman na mag-discuss about your age. We are not all concerned about this anymore. Okay na. This one is just for me. I felt like, ano to eh, this is an access for the fire hydrant. There's a photo.
Water, I have a big deal. Sa ilalim ng poste na to, yung poste na yan, papalitan niya ng fire hydrant if lalagyan ng gobyerno. Pero
Okay lang.
okay, ma'am. So, bakit sila maglalagay sa loob kung wala namang source ng tubig dyan?
Ayun o. Huwag na tayo yun lang sa akin, social to safety lang. Okay na. Hindi naman tayo huwag na tayo masyadong ma-alarm. Hindi naman tayo kailangan pa mag-alarm. Yun lang sa akin, safety lang.
Ang mapa kami nito, ma'am, we have one map. Alam namin sa lahat, buong balagsakan ng mga parikoy ng tubig sumadaan.
Have you been there?
No, I haven't been there, ma'am.
Just check this.
I'm so,
This is where the impound ng water to be connected na sa fire hydrant.
yeah, but wala pang hydrant.
I know, but this is the access.
So, because I confirmed it with
I know.
hydrant pa
Okay lang. Like I said, yung yan, partner.
Abang lang, abang.
Ganun, oo.
Nakaabang sa elbow pipe.
Oo, elbow pipe pa ganun, no? So yan lang, medyo, because, well, if there's a big pipe there,
This
there's
one,
a
this one. This is inside the private property.
Oo.
Under PSP ruling, if they really want to put a hydrant inside the private property, they have to buy it from you or you donate it to kanila. Which cases? But if you want to put a hydrant, of course,
I know you're trying to mediate things, di naman na, I understand you're trying to mediate things naman na parang facilitate lang ng I understand.
I don't take much of your time now.
I appreciate it.
So, happy to have a safe life.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you for your time. Thank you. Yun, sila na mag-sort out niya.
Okay.
Kita
So, kaya ano na lang, isa man. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you for your